Hi, boys and girls. This week we're talking about words that we are adding the suffix ER to. Okay, so we're talking about words that would be like a verb, like the word dance or write or teach or bake. Okay, so we're taking all of those verbs, all of those action words, and we're adding either ER or OR to the end of them so that we now have a noun. Okay, so we're naming a person. So instead of the verb of dance, we're now adding ER to the end of that word, so it'll be dancer. Okay, so let's take a look up here at the top and go through our words. We now have taken these verbs or these actions and we've added ER or OR to the end of them, and now they are a noun. They're telling someone who. Someone who dances would be a dancer. Someone who invents is an inventor. Someone who teaches is a teacher. Someone who bakes is a baker. Someone who acts is an actor. Now we have OR at the end of that one. Someone who writes is a writer. A doctor, a sailor, a farmer, and a visitor. Okay, so we've taken those verbs and we have added ER or OR, the suffix ER or OR to the end of those, and we now have a noun, someone who does those verbs. Okay, so that is what we're working on this week. I have a little video. I'm going to just do the last part of it for you to watch real quick. Here we go.
ER can also mean someone who does a job or an activity. If you teach, you're a teacher. If you bake, you're a baker. And if you drive, you're a driver.
Okay, so just remember that when you go to work through these worksheets this week. Okay, so we're adding ER or OR to the endings of these words. All right, so let's look at our worksheet. We went through our words. Why don't you say them again with me? We have dancer, inventor, teacher, baker, actor, writer, doctor, sailor, farmer, and visitor. Those are our spelling words for this week. So the directions on this worksheet say, write the correct spelling word for each of the given endings. Okay, so we're going to do the words that have the ending of ER. We're going to sort those out and put those here on the lines underneath 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so one of the first ones that I see that has an ER at the end is the first one, and it is the word dancer. So in this space, I'm going to type out that word dancer. Okay. Number 2, find another one. Well, I look at the next word and it's inventor, but look at what it ends with. It ends with an OR. So I'm going to skip right over that one and go to the next word, which is, teacher. It has an ER. Okay, so why don't you go ahead and finish for 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And then when you get done with that, we're going to do the same thing for 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But on these, you are looking for the OR words. Okay. And then down here at the bottom, you're going to be bringing your little circles over and dropping them where you have a 3-syllable word. So you want to clap those words out and find the ones that have 3 syllables in them. Okay, and remember, syllables go along with the vowels that you see in the words. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.